Hello guys, welcome to Nascent Tutelage. This is the home of comprehensive lessons. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Now, in today's screencast, we are going to be looking at how to properly format page numbers in a Word document. So formatting page numbers is quite simple, but it gets complicated when you have to work with multiple page numbers in a single document. So for instance, you want to insert Roman numerals in one section of your document, and also in another section you want to have the 1, 2, 3 type of formatting. If you want to be able to do this, just follow this video with keen interest, and at the end of the video you should be able to know how to do this. So let's begin by first opening our Word document. So I have my Word document opened, and as you can see, there are no page numbers. I have not numbered my Word document. So the first thing you want to do is to insert page numbers into your document if you've not done that. So to be able to do this, you go to the insert option on the ribbon at the top of your Word document. So this is insert. You click on it, then you look for the option that says page number, which is right here. You select page number, then you choose the second option, which is the bottom of page. This is the style we want to choose. The reason why we are choosing this is if you are working on a research project that is employing the APA formatting style, you need to choose this option for your page numbers, which is the bottom of page option. Then you choose the second option, which is the plain number 2. So you just click on it. Then you can click on any blank space 3 times to return back to the document. Now you realize that once we insert the page numbers, we have the document now numbered. But it doesn't end here. You want the prefatory part of your work, which is the section from the abstract, the candidate declaration, acknowledgement, all this portion. You want it to have the Roman numerals as the format for the page numbers, and you want the main body, which begins with the chapter 1, to have the 1 to 3 type of formatting. But that's not how we have it here. So to be able to do this, on the page that you want the numbering or the page numbers to restart, you need to click there. So as you can see, I want the page numbers to begin from 1 to 3 all over again on this particular page, and then I want this portion going to have the Roman numerals. So what I need to do is that I first have to insert a section break. So first of all, put the cursor or your mouse cursor on the page where you want to insert the section break. So obviously I want the section break over here. Now once you've done that, then you go back to the ribbon, then you select the layout. This is the layout, so I've selected the layout. Then you look for the option that says breaks, which is right here. So you click on breaks. Now with the breaks, there are 2 options. We have the page breaks and we have the section breaks. What we want to do is to insert a section break. So you choose the first option under the section breaks, so that it will break the previous section from this section. So you just click on it. Now once you click on it, you might not see any change. So you go back to insert. Okay, once you go back to insert, then you go back to the page number. Click on the page number. This time around, you are not going to select the second option. You are going to the second last option, which says format page numbers. So just click on it, and then you have to change the page numbering from continue from previous section. the option that says Start At. So once you click on the Start At, you see the page number automatically beginning at 1. Then you click on OK. So just like that, you will see that the page numbers will begin numbering from 1 all over again. So there you have it. So you have the page numbers beginning from 1. But this section, we want the page numbers to be in Roman numerals. So what we need to do is that since from this part, from the page 5 all the way to the beginning of the document, is numbered in 1 to 3. We want to change the format of that. We want it to be in Roman numerals. So we go back to the insert on the ribbon. First of all, you have to click on any portion of the pages that is under this section. Okay, so I click on any portion of that page. Then you go to insert on the ribbon. Then you click on the page number. Now this time around, we are still going to format the page number, okay? But this time around, we are going to change the format. So you just change it to Roman numerals, which is the last option. Then you still have to change it to Start At. So to start with the first Roman numeral, then you click OK. So you realize that from the beginning, we now have the Roman numerals as the format for the page numbers all the way to this portion. Then you have the numbering option as the format. So just like that, that's how you format the page numbers.